Today's Japanese 今日の日本語すぎますすぎますすぎます means too much too Example このカバンは高すぎます This bag is too expensive Welcome to One Point Japanese Today's Japanese lesson, grammar Today's grammar is from JLPT N5 Today's grammar is すぎます Let's practice with questions and answers Question この本はどうですか How is this book? Answer この本は難しすぎます This book is too difficult Question このコーヒーはどうですか How is this coffee? Answer このコーヒーは熱すぎます This coffee is too hot Question このカバンはどうですか How is this bag? Answer このカバンは高すぎます This bag is too expensive Today's grammar was すぎます Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.